This workshop is for managers who want to make their teams more intellectually agile and innovative. In the first half of the session, we talk about the science-backed strategies you can use to open up your teams to more creativity, including through communication, enhanced feedback, and recognition. The second half of the course is a strategy session designed to help you think of ways you can add creative opportunity into your team's daily work, unlock individual teammates' creative potential, and focus on the key problems in your org that require innovation. The workshop is available both virtually and in person. There is also a 1-hour version that focuses on the science and team building strategies only. Connect to learn more about how we can help your leaders build flexible, innovative, and effective teams.